Welcome to 245 East 87th Street.
This isn't about just buying a one-bedroom.
This is about buying a lifestyle.
And the best thing about 12G,
It's huge.
the living room is almost 25 feet long and extra wide with an almost 14-foot dining area. Many people divide it and use it as a home office, a den, or guest spot. It's such flexible space.
The bedroom is also enormous at almost 19.5 by 11. There are 5 closets in 12G.
And one of them is a walk-in.
Andrew, I think one of the best features about 12G is it's so high up on the 12th floor that you get excellent light because across the way it's only 13 stories. You can look up and to the left you even see 87th Street. You also have through-the-wall HVAC units keeping the temperature just right inside your home.
I think the best thing about 12G is the renovated bathroom. There's a Kohler sink, a Toto toilet, a soaking tub with 2 shower heads, brushed steel hardware, and check it out, the Sophia brand 3-door medicine cabinet in the style of a Roburn, so you can always check your hairstyle.
Andrew, I think one of the best features about 12G is this white kitchen. It's a good size with a full-size fridge, oven, and dishwasher. You can move in and use it as is, and then you can refresh it down the line when you're feeling creative.
Amelia, don't forget the building 12G is located in. It's extra special too. Besides excellent financials, this is all about a lifestyle. There's a roof deck with open city views, lounge chairs and tables, and a courtyard with picnic spaces. Even a basketball hoop. Amelia, I said basketball. Finally, you made one.
There's a 24-hour doorman, a live-in super, and pets are allowed. Andrew, don't forget, it is the ultimate spot for easy breezy transportation coverage within 1 block of this building. It doesn't get better than this.
12G is right by Shake Shack, Whole Foods, Fairway, By the Way Bakery, and even a Van Leeuwen ice cream shop.
There's a Target, an AMC theater, Comic Strip Live.
And best of all, when you want nature and serenity, you can enjoy it by the East River Promenade Trail. There's over 15 acres of Carl Schurz Park nearby.
If you'd like to see apartment 12G,
At 245 East 87th Street,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz,
And we're at
Brown
Brown
Harris
Harris
Stevens.